Welcome to my channel Living Linux. This is just a teaser video, so don't expect anything serious here. I ordered something during Black Friday and I also ordered an accessory with it, and the accessory arrived earlier than the device I ordered. So just as a little teaser, if you want to have a guess at what I really ordered, just leave your guess in the comments. Unfortunately, you can't win anything with it, just the honor that you guessed what I actually ordered. And in the future, I hope to get to 1000 subscribers and start monetizing this channel and see if I can make a living off this channel. The device I ordered it for my current job, so probably this device won't be featured that much on this channel, unless of course I can quit my job and start living off this YouTube channel. Well, I'm going to open the box and it will give you a clue what I actually ordered. So don't just guess the device type, but you also have to mention the model. So here we go. So here are some airbags. And as you can see, this is just the sleeve, and you probably already saw the brand. So like I said, you have to guess some plastic, also the model. So here's some zipper at the top. So this is where you can put the device, and there's also some pocket here with a zipper. So just for fun, leave your guess in the comments and let's see if anyone guessed the correct model. And hopefully see you in the next video where I actually do an unboxing of the device itself.